Hi everyone, Melody from Learning in Progress here, and today's teacher tidbit is going to be Nearpod Reports. For those of you that have watched my other videos or attended my free monthly webinars, you know that I dearly love Nearpod. It's interactive, it's engaging, and it is teacher friendly. So today we're going to dive into where to access your Nearpod reports after your students have completed the lessons either during a live Zoom or Google Meet meeting or on their own during student-paced lessons. Let me go ahead and bring up a sample report that I created specifically for this video. So here I am in my Nearpod library, and you can see that on the side I've clicked reports. So anytime your students complete either a live lesson or a student-paced lesson, those reports are going to live here. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a sample class. It's really only me for privacy reasons, but I'm going to open up this class to kind of walk you through what these reports offer. So this is one of my newest resources. It is the Valentine's Day reading games. So those of you that have grabbed your growing bundle, that bundle has been updated and you now have access to the Valentine's games. And you can see here that I have 2 sessions, and you will have more than one session if you assign more than one Nearpod code. So maybe you have different periods, especially those of you that are teaching middle school or you're in a departmentalized school where maybe each teacher has his or her own subject. If that's the case and you have a different Nearpod code for different classes, you will see them here. And what's great about this is you can actually rename them. So if you want to name one, period 2, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and open up one of these reports. And you can see right here, just general participation. So if you're looking for a number in terms of student engagement, you can see it very quickly and easily on this screen. You can also see quick check for understanding if you have a quiz. You can see correct answers, wrong answers, and then if that quiz has not been completed yet. Underneath here, you will see all of the students that have logged in and completed or at least participated in the lesson. And then up here at the top, you can see all of the different interactive options that could have been included in that lesson. So you will see quiz results, and I love that it gives you every single question, so you can actually see student answers for each question. Open-ended responses. Again, you can see the response of every single student in your class. So if you're looking for data on a specific student, maybe you have a parent-teacher conference coming up, or you have an SST meeting, or you're really looking to really share this data across your grade level team, whatever it happens to be, this is a great feature that Nearpod has. So you can actually get the responses of individual students. Again, you'll see pictures. You'll see pictures that your students have created. And you can see here that it says Learning in Progress. That was me. Again, I just did a quick sample class for us, but you will see the names of every one of your students and a picture when they participate. Matching pairs, and then of course your time to climb results. So that's a quick look at the Nearpod reports. Like I mentioned, if you have not used Nearpod, I really recommend that you dig right in. Feel free to browse my YouTube channel or my website, learninginprogress.com, and you can look at my previous webinars as well as other teacher tidbits. Tune in next week for another teacher tidbit. Have a great week, everyone.